Alright, here we go. It is a rainy day at Universal Islands of Adventure. Here is the Cat in the Hat ride. It was definitely a favorite amongst my son. And I honestly liked it too because it was air conditioned in here. And here is us getting on like this wacky little Dr. Seuss train. It just had this weird spinny thing here. And here's some footage of us on the train. You're kind of like pretty up high. I was surprised. And it just takes you around. I didn't actually like this ride too much because it was like pretty like up in the air, but my son liked it, so we rode it several times just for him. And then this ride ended up emptying out into like this little bakery type thing. It smelled so good in here. Oh my gosh. They knew what they were doing. And they put all these damn sweets in here. And then we just walked around a little bit. And then we went in this little Halloween store. Decorations were pretty cool. My son was scared, but look at these little bear slippers, or like Chewbacca feet or something. And then these slippers were pretty cool with the little pumpkins. And I liked all these different shirts. It's just like random like Halloween stuff on them. Some of them had little sayings. Only the dead need sleep. This shirt I kind of regret not getting, but I think it was a little bit more than I wanted to pay, honestly. Here's more shirts though. They are so cute though, honestly. This one I really like too. And now we are riding the Hogwarts Express over to Universal Studios. So here's just like the train pulling up. And then here we go, we're getting on. This is what it looks like in the little train, like train car thing. And then this is just kind of like supposed to make it look like what's out your window kind of on the train. And it's kind of like a little movie type thing, and it just like plays for like 2 or 3 minutes or something. So if you don't want any spoilers, I suggest just fast forwarding this whole thing because I basically shot the entire thing, so yeah. And then here we are over in Universal Studios. It is raining over here too, obviously. I'm surprised though, like I'm surprised that people just like put ponchos on and they're out braving the elements. Like the rain did not scare these people away at all. I like that, I guess. We walked around a lot of stores today because of the rain. Here we are just looking around. I look at a lot of Back to the Future merch in here. I really like those movies. So, yeah. I really liked this E.T. sweatshirt, but I only liked it for the sparkles. I'm not like a huge E.T. fan or anything. Here is more Back to the Future stuff. And then we rode the Jimmy Fallon ride. Here's that silly panda, hashtag panda thing. Oh, and then I guess we rode the Mummy. This one was actually really fun. I like how they make it look like a little tomb in here. That's pretty cool. Oh, this was taken from a different day, obviously, because look at how sunny it looks. We rode the Simpsons alien ride. Look at the eyeball going back and forth. So yeah, we were just chilling in Simpsons Land at some point on a sunny day. And now it is back to being cloudy. As you can see, we are just walking through City Walk, I believe this was called. Oh, I really liked this little diner thing. Oh no, wait, this isn't City Walk. This is like Hollywood or something. I've never been to Hollywood, but I can imagine that this is maybe how it feels walking down the road. I just really liked this, so. Here we go. This is City Walk. I think we ended up not staying as long in the park because of the rain. So, yeah. But it was fun regardless. The rain definitely does not like scare people off. Like there will definitely be crowds even in the rain. It's pretty crazy. Well, that was it. See you guys in my next video.